Welcome back to Bone Smoke and Sizzle. Today I will be making a French sausage for you. It's called Saucisse de Citron. Now, if this is correct or not, how I pronounce it, here's the name, the correct name for it. I don't speak French, but it's a great sausage. It's made mainly with veal and it's heavy on lemon flavor. Let's get started and let me show you what meat I'm using and also the herbs and spices. On the meat, what we need is 600 gram veal and 400 gram pork belly per kilo. On the left hand side you see the veal and on the right hand side you see the pork belly. On the herbs and spices we need 17 grams per kilo of table salt. We need 3 grams of ground black pepper per kilo. We need 6 grams of lemon rind per kilo. And we need 30 grams of finely diced shallots per kilo. That's it for the meat and the herbs and spices what we need. So the next thing is to set up the grinder with the 4mm blade, and we grind the veal and the pork belly through this 4mm blade. I have already set up the mincer, so the grinder with the 4mm blade, so I will add the meat now and I will grind it through it. Let's get started. So that's nearly done. Just get the last bit out. That's it. The next thing what we do is to the ground meat we add the herbs and spices to it and give it a good mix. Let's add the salt. The black pepper. The lemon rind. And the shallots. Let's mix this one here. We need a nice binding mix again. You can smell the lemon, it's really nice. So I will mix this now till it's binding, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So this is done now. It's a good mix. Let's have a look. See, it's holding. It's nice and binding. That's how it should be. I'll put this now in the filler. So let's get this in the filler. And what we make sure is push it down. Because we want to avoid air pockets. That's it. Let's start filling. For the casing, I got here 28 to 30 mil block casings. They've been soaking in cold water for the last 30 minutes. I'm gonna put 2 fingers in the end of it. I scoop up some water, because what I want to do is get some water inside the casing now. And then simple pull it over and pull it up. Goes on fairly easy. Make a knot in it. That's it. Put a bit of water on top of the casings and let's fill. Fill it semi-firm. That's it. The excess casing cut off, leave a little bit on the end so I can put a knot in it. And let's start twist them. As I say, twist them around 16, 18, 20 centimeters, the way you want it. And the last one, we just twist in here, twist once over, fold it through, done. This is what the sausages look like now. Let me show you. Here we go. As you can see, they're nice and even. They have a nice cut. You can see the shallots in there as well. And ever so often you can see a speck of the lemon as well, of the lemon rind. Next time I will show you how to make a English box sausage, the traditional way, but till then I'm not gonna tell you what it is, which type of sausage, so you see in the next video. Otherwise, I wish you all the best, have fun and start making sausages. Till then, see ya and bye bye.